Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today, new week, new day, new puzzles. In today's newspaper of Monday, Monday, October the 17th, 2022, we have here a puzzle page with one regular puzzle. It's a Sudoku Medium. In this puzzle page, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. And the last one is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. 4 puzzles, and I will start in a minute with the Sudoku Medium. And what's the news of today? Well, news of today, the BBC, British Broadcasting Company, will be tomorrow 100 years. Yes, 100 happy birthday, I will say to the BBC. 100 years ago, BBC start with the broadcasting. Right. Medium Sudoku number. Oh, apologies. Let me focus this puzzle. This will be number 5340. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in the last column, so no 1 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see a 7, no 7 there. Here 7 in the third column, no 7 there, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. Oh, 1 and a 3, overlook the 3. This 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1, okay. 5 in this row, last row, 5 in that row, so the row between. The only 3 places left for 5 should be here, here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, here 5 in the column next, no 5 there, so the only place left for the 5 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column, 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. 7, 7, 7, 7, 8. 8. 5. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3. 2 numbers left in this row, middle row for numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, 3 and 4 is missing, 2 and 4, 2 and 4, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 4 goes there, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so no row above, there are only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here or there, we see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, here 2 in that column, so no 2 there, so the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this third column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this column. First column should be there. So 2 missing numbers now in the first column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, second row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the first row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 3 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. 3 and the 9. 5, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, third row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there, so we have 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so the column between, middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Then let me see. 6, 3, 8, 5. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. Then 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 9, 9. 3, Thinking. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this column, so no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 now in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 now in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this third column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 1. 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. How about the 5? And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 box left in this second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Alright. Well, 2 stars. No. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like those ones. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.